Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, we'll be doing this quick and easy glueless install from ShimmerWigs. They went ahead and sent me their 4x6 HD lace closure unit in water wig and 26 inches. So you know we're giving length, we're also giving fullness and body. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, and it is 100% glueless unit. You guys, like, look, I could pull it up, I could put her down, you know, do what I need to do and head out the house. This unit is literally a game changer. I'm in love with these new glueless, quick closure, ready to wear, ready to go units. It is absolutely so affordable, and it was just so easy to work with an install. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install with this gorgeous unit, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I hit the hardest nigga you done never heard? I never like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for me. I know you ain't hot man. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all this out the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Perch talk, I can make a brick walk, up, no, down, soft, bank head, picture walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord, STD, I run my ward, book a fed and it's daughter. I'm a ready to come down, that's a pot of sugar and she bread. I got a man and she gon' ride, she took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that so she gon' ride, I see the pain and shot it like ride. I'm in that London with some big thighs, no fries, she steaks with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, drop and roll? I've been on the road like a pair of scanners of stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your brother in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the ward, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement.
Meet me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. I knew.
I ain't crush down with the money. Put it full time, whole place. Full sight. In and out. I down. City whole time, whole time. Full sight.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. Fuck, honey. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' be close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, all that niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out a
Alright guys, so this is the final look, and this gorgeous wig is from ShimmerWig. This is what the box looks like, and they went ahead and sent me their 6x4 HD lace closure unit in water wave and 26 inches. This unit is super duper duper full, and I've been traveling a lot lately. Definitely bringing this with me on vacation. It's not super dense to the point where you can't run the brush through. It's really nice and easy to work with. Let me show you the shedding I got from this, and this is absolutely wild. Can you guys see how little of shedding this is? This is absolutely crazy. So ShimmerWigs, you definitely did that. And if you were worrying about tangling and all that good stuff, let's just go ahead and show you guys. It's really easy to run your hands through. This water wave texture is great for summer time. It's really nice and airy as well as full. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous wig. And that is pretty much it. I have nothing negative to say about this wig. This is an absolutely great wig for an affordable price, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. It came pre-plucked, pre-parted. I didn't have to bleach it. All I had to do was just sit this bad boy on my head, and it was just over with. Super easy to install, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.